Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Complex to Simple once more. This is our Adhikari this side, and thanks to all of you for completing 500 subscribers of mine to this channel. Let's celebrate today. And the aim like for this video is 1K. Please do like and subscribe my channel. And today this is the last part of cross multiplication method, that is of linear equations. We'll do it by cross multiplication obviously, and I promise this is the last part of this video. Then we'll start with the story sums of equations. So let's start with sum number 22. So sum number 22 says ax plus by equals to a plus b by 2. This is the first equation, and the second equation is 3x plus 5y equals to 4. So we can write this equation as x plus by minus of a plus b by 2 equals to 0. Okay, let us name this equation as 1, and we can write this equation as 3x plus 5y minus 4 equals to 0. This equation as 2. We'll name it as 2. Okay, now x minus y 1. Okay, now b1 is b, b2 is 5, C1 is minus of a plus b by 2, and C2 is minus of 4. Okay, A1 is a, A2 is 3, a plus b by 2 minus of a plus b by 2, that is C1, and C2 is minus of 4. Okay, now again A1, A2, B1, B2. Okay, now this implies x by minus 4 into b will give you minus 4b plus 5a plus 5b by 2 equals to minus of y by minus of 4a plus 3a plus 3b by 2. Okay, now 1 by 5a minus 3b. So now x by, I'll take 2 as LCM, so minus of 8b plus 5a plus 5b equals to minus of y. Again I'll take 2 as LCM, minus of 8a plus 3a plus 3b equals to 1 by 5a minus 3b. So we'll get x by 5a minus 8b plus 5b will give you minus of 3b by 2 equals to minus of y by, again minus 8a plus 3a will give you minus of 5a plus 3b by 2, 1 by 5a minus 3b. Now I'll find the value of x, then y. So x by 5a minus 3b by 2 equals to 1 by, see, 5a minus 3b. Okay, now we can write the value of x equals to 5a minus 3b by 2 into 1 by 5a minus 3b. So the value of x will be half. Value of x is half. Now I'll find the value of y. Then the sum will end here. Minus y by minus of 5a plus 3b by 2 equals to 1 by 5a minus 3b. So I'll take minus common over here in the denominator. So I'll get 5a minus 3b by 2 equals to 1 by 5a minus 3b. So see, negative negative will give you positive. So the value of y will be 5a minus 3b by 2 into 1 by 5a minus 3b. Now again I'll cancel it, so the value of y will also be half. So we can conclude from this sum that x equals to half and y equals to half. Is it clear to all of you? The sum is very simple. Number 25 says a square x minus b square y, b square by y equals to 0, and a square b by x plus b square a by y equals to a plus b. So we'll do a simple trick over here. We'll assume 1 by x equals to p. Let 1 by x equals to p and 1 by y equals to q respectively. So we'll replace the terms 1 by x and 1 by y by p and q respectively. So we can write equation number 1 as a square p minus b square q equals to 0, and this one as a square bp plus b square a q minus of a plus b equals to 0. So we can write, so now b square minus b square is b1, b square a is b2, 0 will be c1 because there is no term over there as c1, and c2 is minus of a plus b. Now a square b again 0 minus of a plus b, a square b minus b square a. So p by negative negative positive, b square a plus b cube, 0 into something will give you a 0, minus q by minus of a cube minus a square b equals to a cube b square plus a square b cube. So from here we can write, therefore p equals to b square a plus b cube by a cube b square plus a square b cube. So now we'll take b square as common from the numerator and we'll get a plus b by, we'll take a square b square common from the denominator and we'll get a plus b again. So if we cancel them, b square will get cancelled out, therefore p equals to 1 by a square. Now p equals to 1 by a square, so we'll find the value of q now. Q by a cube plus a square b, 1 by a cube b square plus a square b cube. So therefore q equals to a cube plus a square b by a cube b square plus a square b cube. So from the numerator we'll take a square as common and we'll get a plus b. Over here again we'll take a square b square as common and we'll get a plus b, so we'll get cancelled. So the value of q is 1 by b square. Now the sum is not yet finished because p equals to 1 by a square, p equals to 1 by a square and q equals to 1 by b square. So now we'll find the value of x. So I can write p as 1 by x. So the value of x is a square. So like this, the value of y will be b square. I hope it's clear and simple, all of you. So sum number 26. This sum is very important. You know, it's very important for your boards too. mx minus ny equals to m square plus n square. Equation number 1. We can also write it as This one is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. So we can write it as x plus y minus 2m equals to 0. We can write this equation as number 2. So now b1 is minus n, b2 is 1, this is c1, c2, a1, a2, c2, c1, sorry, c1, c2. Okay, now m1 minus n1. So now positive, negative, negative is positive, 2mn plus m square plus n square, m plus n whole square. Okay, m square plus n square plus 2mn will give you m plus n whole square, minus of y will give you minus 2m square plus m square plus n square. That will give you minus of y by n square minus m square. We'll take minus common from numerator and both, sorry, from both the numerator and denominator. So we'll get y by m square minus n square. So now this is x, this is y, m plus n. So we'll find the value of x. Therefore x by m plus n whole square equals to 1 by m plus n. So the value of x is m plus n whole square by m plus n. So the value of x is m plus n. So it's done for the y. Therefore y by m square minus n square equals to 1 by m plus n. Y equals to m square minus n square by m plus n. Y equals to m plus n into m minus n. The formula of a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So now the value of y is m minus n. So the value of x is m plus n and the value of y is m minus n. It's very important sum. So sum number 27 is x by b minus by a equals to a plus b, and the second equation is x minus by equals to 2ab. So first we'll take the equation. Now we'll take the LCM. So a square x minus b square y equals to a plus b. So a square x minus b square y equals to a square b plus b square a square x minus b square y minus of, so this is a c1 actually. Okay, and it will just, I'll just take this to the LHS. Okay, so we'll do one thing. We'll treat this one as equation number 1 and this one as 2, both the same. So x minus y 1, so minus b square minus 2ab minus of now a square minus 2ab. Okay, so now x by this into this, so a square b square plus a b cube, negative negative positive, positive negative negative 2ab cube equals to minus y minus of a cube b minus of b square a square positive 2 a cube b equals to minus of ab square plus a square b. Okay, so x by ab cube, sorry, a square b square minus ab cube, this is cube, is it clear to the camera, minus y this minus a cube b plus 2 a cube b will give you positive a cube b minus b square a square. So minus of ab square plus a square b. Now we'll find the value of x. So we can write x equals to a square b square minus ab cube by a square b minus ab square. I have just taken this term this side and this one this side. Okay, so x equals to, I can take a b square as common, so a minus b by ab as common, a over there and b. Okay, yes, so it will get cancelled, b will get cancelled. Okay, value of x is b, the value of x is b. Now we'll go for y, so minus of y by a cube b minus b square a square equals to 1 by a square b minus ab square minus of y equals to a cube b minus b square a square by a square b minus ab square minus of y equals to, now I'll take a square b as common, a minus b and again over here a b as common, and so a minus b, it will get cancelled. Now b will get cancelled, a will get cancelled, so minus of y equals to a, therefore the value of y is minus of a. Please keep it in mind, there is a negative sign over there. If you not give the negative sign, you will not get marks. Okay, so the value of x is b and the value of y is minus a. So this is the last sum of this video, and this brings the end to the chapter. This sum is very important because this is the last one. So we'll write b by a into x plus a by b into y minus a square plus b square equals to 0. Now this one is this and this one is x plus y minus 2ab equals to 0. This is 1, this is 2. Okay, so x minus y 1. b1 is a by b, b2 is 1. c1 is minus of a square plus b square, c2 is minus 2ab, b by a is a1, 1 is a2. Okay, so now we'll cross multiply ab into minus 2ab, minus of 2a square plus a square plus b square, minus of y minus of 2b square plus a square plus b square, ba, b by a minus a by b. Okay, so from this part we can write b square minus a square equals to minus of y by a square minus b square. I'll take LCM of AB, b square minus a square. So we can write AB by b square minus a square. This one actually we can write. So now we'll find the value of x. So therefore x equals to b square minus a square into AB by b square minus a square. Therefore x equals to AB. I will find the value of y minus of y by a square minus b square equals to ab by b square minus a square. Therefore y by b square minus a square equals to ab by b square minus a square. See, I have taken this minus, sorry, this minus as common, so it's b square minus a square, and negative negative will give you positive. So y equals to, okay, y equals to ab. So x equals to y equals to ab, and this brings the end to the chapter. This is the end of this chapter. So I hope you're liking the videos. Do subscribe to my channel and do share the videos. Till time, goodbye.